We are live. Hello, everyone. Perfect. So, guys, how is everyone? The guys on TikTok, I'm going to come and reply to all your questions and answers. But now, let's focus on the entry. So that's the model we are waiting for us to start, for us to post, to trade. So it's all about patience. Let's be patient. Tap the screen. If you're on YouTube, you can comment as well. I can reply. Tap the screen. Um, yeah, let's go. Tap the screen. Tap the screen. So now I'm replying the questions. I'm replying all your answers, your questions. So now I'm replying the questions. I'm replying all your answers, your questions. So now I'm replying. Just give me a moment. Still setting up something. Yataga microphone gwange. Bruno yawe. iPhone mirroring. It's coming close.
This is the craziest thing. AI can now literally take.
Hello? Mm, 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 mm. Kati, so gamba waswana deliver. Mm.
Take a simple.
Please, Justin, please teach me also. Yeah, I have free classes every day on Monday up to Friday at 8 p.m. So please attend. Hello, Darren. Which pair is this? It's gold. Sorry. It's our USD. On TikTok or no, on WhatsApp, text me. My number is in bio. Text me on WhatsApp. You get an automatic message. There's a group you're gonna get. Yeah?
Oh no, on WhatsApp. Text
Yeah.
me.
There's a group you're going to get and join that group. Also register for the trading challenge in case you want to access these signals real time. In case I'm not live, so that you can, like, if I'm not live, you won't be able to miss. Right here, we are waiting for our entry on gold, and this is the model. This is minute one. Yeah, this is minute one. Sorry, let me add it. Let me add it. ZAR USD. Yeah, ZAR USD minute 1. Thank you for the likes, guys. Tap the screen. Tap the screen. Sure, you are the best. Thank you, Lil Bayo. Yeah, this is not financial advice. It's just for educational purposes. Someone is saying, "Za, where are you mentor to?" And get there. First, ask the question again. You should ask the question again. I've not understood that one. So you can go to the minute 5 and check what minute 5 is doing. Minute 5 already tapped into our gray zone, our sell zone. This is our sell zone. So I'm going to start sketching for entries. And let's look at H4 first to see where the setup got derived from. As you can see, this is our H4 first. Take this off, yeah. You can see H4 is creating series of higher lows, lower highs, higher lows, lower lows, yeah. Higher lows and lower lows. That means that the market is bearish. So the market is bearish. Why is the market bearish? Because we see these patterns. So we can mark up this to draw market structure, because you know market structure is king. So this is what we are expecting on gold following this market structure. You see we have a higher high here because it was bullish. It was bullish before, yeah, it was bullish before, and then we created this lower high, this lower high. This is a low, and now the market is bullish, but we have this change in character on the H4. It's on the right side. I'm going to give it to you. You have this change in character right here. You have this change in character right here. And this change in character, this is a signal for a change in trend. So if we get this with an imbalance, we have this huge imbalance. I'm gonna label this as a no. What should I label this? So let me put it this way. So this is an imbalance. It's FVG, yeah, fair value gap. If you're trading ICT, you know what fair value gap is, yeah. This is an imbalance between three candlesticks. Let me give you a quick explanation here. We have this first candlestick. This is our first bullish candlestick, yeah. Okay, can you fully green, because most of you know that bullish candlesticks are green. So I'm going to name it green. That's our first candlestick, and the background sijaagala. Oh my god, njagala kweka kikati. Njagala border middle line. Okay, let's just use that. And then we have a second candlestick here. So just want to explain the imbalance. See, I use it in my trading as well. Though the ICT guys bajita FVG, FVG, yet smart money concept, it's an imbalance, yeah. So an imbalance is the space left between three candlesticks. This is a three candlestick pattern, yeah. And in between the middle candlestick, if we have a gap, let's say from the top of this previous candlestick to the recent one, So this gap in between the first candlestick and the second one, they are, in case if so, this is a bullish one, bullish FVG. Yeah. So when price current like eventually returns to this zone, we're gonna have a reaction to the upside. We are going to have a reaction to the upside, and this is what an imbalance goes for. So whenever price returns to an imbalance, whenever price returns to an imbalance, we're going to have a reaction. If it's a bullish FVG or imbalance, it's a reaction to the upside. If it's a bearish one, then you have a reaction. So in case, in this scenario, it's on the H4 and it's bearish. So price comes and taps into it and bleeds down. So after it leading to the downside, we have a break of this low. Yeah, we break this low again, confirming bearish movement. So we create a lower low right here because now we are bearish, and this was a higher low. Yeah, but yeah, you just not need to cram the names. You just need to know what the market is doing. That the market has broken this low, created a new low, and it's going to create a high. Yeah, a lower high. Now this is a lower high created here, and this was a higher low. So we have a higher high, and then this high breaks this lower low again. We have this lower low. Now we have a higher high, a lower high created. So this is where we want to take our trade from, right here. Yeah, you get. So that's the whole idea behind my trade. So this trade has approached a good valid supply zone. The supply broke this low, which is a valid supply zone on the H4, and when you refine it on the H1, you'll find that it has an imbalance on it as well. Okay, we have this imbalance and it got filled, broke and got filled. Now we have liquidity grabbed as well, grabbed, and maybe this is a refined supply zone which we're gonna sell from. So let's go back to 1 minute and see what price is doing. 5 minutes. Remember, we are sketching for sales around this zone, and if we get our pattern, 1 minute confirmation pattern, we're gonna enter. And I guess this is our confirmation. Sawa mekam, sawa nya already here. So let's just wait for a clear break. Yeah, let's just wait for a clear break. I don't trust this here, that's why I'm not entering. So I'll either wait for this zone to get broken for me to start sketching for sales. Otherwise, this is just not gonna do it for me. I'm going to wait, patience, please. So I'm just going to journal my the risks I'm going to take on all my accounts. So I have an empty FTM account. I'm going to risk $500 per trade, and I have 1,500 at risk today. I have 1,500 at risk. So that's FTMO. Now I also have a small Xness accounts, the ones I'm trading on the trading challenge. These accounts, let me show you. And a small Xness. I'm going to risk one account has $1,000. From this $1,000 account, I'm going to risk $20 per trade. $20 per trade because I love keeping risk minimal. And you guys, our confirmation is soon coming. The confirmation for this trade is right here. We already got the confirmation, but I don't trust this structure. Let me see. Let me show you. I don't trust this structure. Hello? Ali kumpi kujja. Yasimbudde dda. So this is the structure I'm not trusting, yeah? And remember, we are gonna take a trade right here. Then this is our SL. We're gonna collect 3R. I still await for a break. Bro, mbadde ndi busy ndi ku live naye waswa yasimbudde dda ali kumpi kutuukako. So that's what I'm waiting for. Guys, tap the screen if you wanna join my daily live sessions, live lessons every day at 8 p.m. Just text me, the link in bio. The link is in my, the link in bio, also the number in bio. So if you wanna join my trading challenge, I give out my daily entries every day. Yeah, just trading every day. I'm a Ugandan, I'm in Uganda, and I trade. Trading is not only for people abroad, so you can make a living out of it. Hello? Yes, hello? Ojimusindikide? Emmotoka gikenagambye gitwadde n'emikolo kati mwasaba bagenze kugikima. So guys, sorry, I was in a call. Right now, gold is doing what we anticipated. I didn't enter because of this, but I'm going to trust this one. I'm going to trust this structure. I'm going to trust this one. So if this slow gets broken, I'm entering my gold cells. But enough naka SLR katono, but I hate getting taken out of the trade because yeah. So always I'm going this system. I'm taking 3R. I'm collecting 3R, and if it hits 2R, I'm collecting 50% off. Okay, where is this line? So this is 2R, and if it hits 2R, I'm collecting 50% off. 2R means 2 risk, like risk to reward. You get? It's risk to reward. If I'm risking 1, I'm getting 2 in return. You get? So that's a 1 to 2 risk to reward. collect 50% of, then I'll trail the rest. Up to 3 ARA or maybe 10 ARA, I don't know, just keep on trailing the SL. So this is trading. Just spot those past patterns, backtest them, and see how it goes. So just updating my guys in the FXR trading challenge. If you're out there and you're busy, you can't analyze the markets, I'm going to analyze the market for you. I'm going to give you the signals. Sell gold at 3350.2, 3350.2, SL at 3356.05, 3356.05. So I'll keep on updating them with that TPs and SLs, like TP1 hit, TP2 hit, TP3 hit, just like that. But I've not yet entered, they've not broken that low. Tap the screen. I want us to get to 10k likes. 10k likes, guys. Let's go. Okay, we're in the trade. Now I'm gonna go and set my trades, starting with the FTMO challenge account. That's 5. I'm using lot 1.5. So yeah. 0.02. I can send the CZ now. So guys, position sizing is something you need to learn. Position sizing. You need to learn on how to position size very, very, very well. Okay, I've placed my trades. Now all I have to do is to manage my risk, and when it goes to my profits, that's when I should manage my profits. Is our USD minute 1. Let's go to minute 5. Yes, guys, the pair is ZAO USD. ZAO USD. ZAO USD. Yes, guys, the pair is ZAO USD. ZAO USD. ZAO USD. We are selling gold. SL 3356. Low battery. Low battery, please recharge. Guys, ensure you set your stop loss. Trading is a game of emotions and they might mess you up. So don't let the emotions make you blow your accounts. This is just a game of probabilities. The good thing is you need to catch a good trade to avoid trading bad trades, because this is gonna ruin your edge trading something outside your what? So right here is my risk. Fuck. Sorry guys. Okay, we are going in profits right now. Would have entered from up there, but it wasn't a perfect entry though. Trades like this always come every day in the market, and we don't need to enter the market with a mindset of like making money from the trade. You just need to learn from it, learn from that trade. If it's a good trade, learn from it. If it's a bad one, learn from it as well. You don't need to go into the markets with the aim of making profits. That's not going to happen. Maybe. So, but for you, what you need to do is just to manage your risk very well, every day consistently. You will see. Check isimu yawasubidde ku muliro. Hmm. So guys, don't set VE yet, but just gonna look at M1, yeah. So if in case we create another structure on M1, something like this. Okay, that's, yeah. So we create something like this. Yes, guys, tap the screen. 60 people on the screen and the live. Tap the screen. Tap. Yes, guys, tap the screen. 60 people on the screen and the live. Tap the screen. Tap. Let's get to 10k likes. I'm going to reply you all, the guys on TikTok. I'm going to reply to you all. Just a moment. So guys need to Yeah, this is Euro USD, guys. If you have any pair you want me to analyze, I'm gonna analyze. For now, we're only trading Euro USD and gold. The Euro USD limukukirira I was still explaining about my trading challenge. So this trading challenge, it's for now we are like 100 guys, yeah. So we always execute the same system with discipline and focus. So every month we start with an account with a goal of fixing that account. By 10x, I mean making profits, which are gonna double it 10 times. Yeah, that's like 1,000%. So that's our target. If you have $100, the goal is to make 1,000 by the end of the month. So far, we've not yet hit the targets. The challenge started. The challenge started 2 months back. So this is the 3rd month. But yeah, for the past month, it was kind of not good. The first month of the challenge was good. I remember I flew to $200 to like 1,500 the first month. Then this is the 3rd month, which is August. It has started a bit shaky. We weren't consistent with the signals and everything, but now we've grabbed the consistency and we want to push and see how it goes. So this is a challenge between yourself, but it's not with the market, because the market is gonna do what it's gonna do. It's you who is going to mess up your account. It's you who is going to blow. It's you who is going to make the mistakes. It's not the market. So this is a challenge between yourself to see if you can build that discipline required. And we are introducing the trading psychology classes, and this is exclusive to only the guys in the trading challenge. See you there. To join, you have to click in the link in bio if you want to join. Trade, you need to keep the risk, the SL at 33550.0. That's where our SL is. 3356.05. 3356.05. 3356.05. Yeah. Euro USD is bleeding. So I wanted us to analyze Euro USD before we do anything else. So this is the H4, and you can see we have a bullish market structure on this H4. From down here, we've been creating several higher highs and breaking them, also leaving this demand zone. Sorry guys, someone is calling. So H4, right now we have this liquidity seated here, and I don't lie, this is a weak low. This is a weak low. Yeah, low is also gonna be my liquidity because it's not strong enough to hold. Yeah, it's not going to hold. We have our demand zone here. So with Euro USD, I'm just gonna be patiently waiting for this. I'm going to be patiently waiting for this zone for buys. I thought it was first come liquidate these guys, but now it's just. But Euro USD is moving even better than gold because this is London. But the bad thing with Euro USD, we didn't get a confirmation. So I'm updating the guys in the trading challenge. So if you want to join the trading challenge, just text me. I'm going to get you. Text me on WhatsApp. Then but I'm also going to pin it on these comments. Euro USD. Again. Chipisine techikyakula freezing. Ndi mu freezing awo. Nina kye ndi mu kusindika n'ekiganyo mu kugenda. Okay guys, katuddeyo ku gold. Euro USD eri mu kuweemuula. Ndi mu freezing, eh? Ndaba kino kikompyuta kiri mu freezing. Ngenda giyiwa yonna. Njagala kuddamu muno ba guys ba TikTok temuvaako. Everyone. I'm going just that. I had to fast. Kyokka wano we tulina settingira BE. Checking M1. Yep. So guys, I'm going to move my stop to here. I'm not going to set BE, but I'm going to stops here. So let me update the team, just minimizing losses just in case it comes back up. You get? The goal is to manage risk, not to make money. Yeah, the goal is to manage risk, not to make money. So I'm updating my guys in the trading challenge. Move stops to 3352. The goal is to manage risk. The goal is not to make money. Move stops to 3352. Message since nayo computer chip freezing 3.01. Karisi kakatinze into half ngawe twabadde tukibaze 3352.02.2 0.2 hano ero USD kiridde simanyi wawaddeyo amawulire wawaddeyo ki. It is bleeding, yeah. Okay, I'm done, and this is how our chart is looking currently. Okay, you can look at Trade Cafe. Simanyi Telegram eganye nakozesa ssimu nja kuba updatinga. Do you don't want using okay, move stop loss to 3352.2. yeah, nemba sindiki kagenze kati guys mulaba engeri gye ba trading is about patience, waiting, execution, managing risk. To managing the risk, we've cut our risk to half, and now we've managed our emotions as well. I'm going to journal everything, how I feel, and I'm going to journal the trade as well. Yeah, if it hits my TP, then well and good. If it doesn't, also it's well and good because I've managed my risk, I've controlled myself. I'm not going to place any impulsive moves after this. Just consistency, you get. So on this live, and you've not texted me on WhatsApp, you don't really want to make money. So balagako wano accounts zange zendi mu trading ate zonna real accounts. Waliwo eno esooka eri mu floating in profits. Also this one, this is the second one, it is in profits. Now this is the big one, this is in $400 profits. Nira temuli mukulaba. So also this one, it is in $40. Why is it freezing? Is it freezing? So guys, musobola okusettinga be oba mwagala. For me, I'm going to set be. I'm going to trade risk-free on this trade. If it comes back, I'm moving out with no risk, with no. Okay, we are now at BE. Set BE, set BE, set BE. In case it retraces, we get out of the trade. Or if you have collected enough profits, you can close your trade. Why are you stressing? If you've made enough profits, but if you still want more profits, then you can hold at BE. If you feel like those profits are not enough for you, yeah, like for me, these are not enough for me, so I'm going to hold till it goes up to my targets down here. Kati ndowooza tuteredde tumaze osettinga BE. Let me reply to all your questions kuva eri waggulu aba asking the questions ne bavaako. Yeah, those who ask questions and just went off, I don't know what I'm going to do for you. But if you stay here, you need to stick to this up to the end if you really want to learn something, because I'm making money and you can make money with me every day. I don't live trade every day, but I do trade with my people every day in the trading challenge. So if you make losses, we make them together. Yeah. If we win together. Get. Yo omufunye esooka omumpeeko mwana enamba eteriiko. Wanje? Sorry guys, I was reading the questions. Someone was asking, thank you JJ Forex for the roses. I already sold at 335. If you sold at 335, then you're nice, you're good to go. You can close your trades. Actually, you're in deep profits. How much is mentoring? $150. If you're a beginner, mentoring is free. Intermediate, $150. Hi Justin, hello. We are getting sound on TikTok. We are not getting sound. Now you're getting it. The network is stable, everything. This is the most authentic class I know. Thank you, Pictures of Bruno Joel. If you need a photographer with nice skills, professional, you can reach out to him. Pictures of Bruno Joel. I closed gold sales. Yeah, nice. Do you help pass prop farm challenges? No, but I can help you, give you the signals with the trading challenge, and they'll help you pass. Gold is going deep down, guys. You can monitor it. It's in deep profits now. I guess it's broken our M1 low, the one we created. Let me show you. It's close. Oh, it broken it, wicked through it. We wicked through it. Now we want this to hold. We want this to hold for us to go down, to continue going down. We want it to hold. So Abe Chigongo, just fresh, just refresh. Okay, now it's stable. TP please. Okay, sorry, we have TP1, TP2, Ichiba dish. So we have TP2 here. TP181. It's all your favorite one. TP1 one. So TP1 is about to hit. TP1 UFA. This is TP1. TP1, we have TP2 and TP3. So you have 3 TPs. TP1 not yet hit, TP2 about to be hit, and then TP3 EU. They also have SL here. Njagala kano kazone ka holding for sales. If it gets broken, kabaka with them. Baba gonna tujamu ku BE. But I don't know, it's all, I don't know, I don't direct the market. I don't know where the market is heading. TP please, TP1 equal 3343. TP1 at 3343. TP1 at 3343, and then TP2 at 3338, and then TP3. Yo kyo mbadde ndiko ku live kati niyakubira nga maliriza TP4 3330, TP4 3330, oh TP3 3330. So those are our TPs. I've updated with the guys. So if you're someone who is busy, you can't be here on the live with me, or in case I'm not live, you will receive the signals real time. So we've locked our profits. We are riding risk free. I don't think I have some comments on YouTube. Okay, on YouTube I have Batak. Batak is saying I analyze Solana USDT. Okay, I'm going to. No worries. I'm going to analyze it. Copy link to join oyo gold so kumufere temujoininga chilink che. Tag TP please. I've updated the TP. Running simple FX. Yeah. Do you help pass? Yeah, I did. I help with the signals. Bro Justin, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Which pair? This is called ZAO USD. Kapeya mbadde nakatadde. Kaako ka ZAO USD mba mukalaba bulungi. So guys, if you have any questions, just ask questions. And if you want to join my challenge, also you know what to do. Let me put my number. It's in bio actually. When you take a cover Jabaniga live young. So that's our first trade for the week. Last week was a bit hard. It was a losing week. I don't want to lie. You can see how much I lost on this trading challenge account. FXR trading challenge. Last week. Custom. Last week yatandika nga 4, then yatandika nga 11 negwa nga 17 ne 15. I lost $10. Techikola. $12. Only 12. Kazoni bakamenye kati tuwedde simanyi na kumanya. Wano tuba tukoze kye bayita change in character, but I don't know if we have on the M5 we have this. Tunaka imbalance ke tutapinzemu. So if they take us out, you know the reason why we've been taken out. Because still we protected our trades. So nothing to fear. Solana. So this guy says we analyze Solana US. So we can start with the H4, 4 hours. To see what 4 hours is doing. So first, guys, market structure. You know, market structure is king. This is how the market moves. So I'm just gonna mark out my breaks, any low or high broken. And to that, also here we have this break of structure to the upside, and we have this demand zone left. Also we have an imbalance on this demand zone, which is this, and it has been tapped into. And remember, whenever we feel an imbalance, we tend to change direction, you get. So in case we have been selling and we tap into this imbalance, we buy. I explained about the imbalance when the live was starting. So now currently price just cleared out this low, and we want to retrace, collect orders, and maybe come and liquidate these guys, because we had a signal of a change in trend right here. We had chop, so maybe price is changing direction, but it depends also on how we react. So if we come also here, we can, this is another scenario where we just come and react from this to this. So we can also wait for that. Sloping into the M15, we can see that Solana is still bearish. On the M15, we have this bearish order flow range right here. bearish order flow range. Unless we break it, then we can start to sketch for buy entries. Gold is coming back to take us out, but we are not scared. Already our SLs are placed at BE, so we just gotta leave it do what it wants to do. So yeah, analysis for Solana, just waiting for what M15 is doing. I wait for this zone for buys, or I can also sketch some sells if I get liquidity in this bearish range. Yeah, in this bearish range here. So if I get any liquidity inside, maybe under 1 minute, let me see. First have to draw up my valid zones or points of interest where I'm gonna sell from. So do you have any valid point of interest here? No valid. Let's check refinement on the M5 to see if we have, yeah, we have this refined zone. Yeah, so you have, if you get liquidity, something like this, and then it gets cleared, we wait for rish. So that's the model we wait for us to enter. Yeah, that'll be a quick scalp trade if I'm to enter. If I'm to enter what? Solana. So any pair, do you have any pair for me to analyze? So today we have a special lesson to only beginners. Yeah, so if you're a beginner and you really want to get a good solid foundation to the markets, then this is the place for you to be. So this is gold, minute 5. It's looking for eyagala kutujja ku BE. This is where our SL is at. You get? Yeah, like I told you, it's reacting off this. Yeah, so that's why we need to be eager. We need to stare at charts. We need to know what price is doing, where it's heading, how it's moving, and why is it moving the way it's moving. That's all we need. So if you know this, then you can get entries anywhere. So now we are bullish and price is likely coming to take us out, but we can still read the market and see what it's doing. These candlesticks, this is M1. We can't really see something unless we get structure. But if we come and break this, then that will be a high confirmation that our trade is likely going to hit TP1, TP2, TP3, and even smash through TP3. So it all depends. So today we have a special lesson to only beginners. If you're intermediate, it's not your lesson. Intermediates, you wait for tomorrow. That's when we're discussing about technicals. Today we are going to be discussing about the basics of the market. The basics of the market. So if you don't know anything about the market, this is your class for today. So it's happening today at 8 p.m. Make sure you join our WhatsApp groups. Make sure you join our WhatsApp groups. Our WhatsApp our WhatsApp group to avoid missing out. So guys, I'm going to go off, but I'm not going to switch off anything. Just switching off the camera, then I'll be back in like, I don't know. Let me set alerts. When I get this alert at BE, I'll come back and update you guys. We journal everything. So I'm just going to journal, and then come back. Later, we journal everything, upload our setup to Notion, and then wait for another one. Yeah, that's how we need to trade. Okay, bye. See you later. Don't move off. Maybe go off. Text me on WhatsApp. We see. I add you to the group right now. Bye. So yes, someone is asking, how can I access your WhatsApp group? Just text me. The number is in bio. Just text me. The number is in bio. Still easy. Still too easy to up for you. Gap between 3 momentum candles on both bearish or bullish. Yeah, it is actually the same thing. Gap left between 3 candles after an impulse. An FVG is the same as imbalance.